Introducing Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell brings convenience, monitoring, and security to your most valuable asset, your home. Ring streams HD video and audio seamlessly over wireless internet to smartphones and tablets. Ring makes it convenient to see and speak with whomever's at your front door, anytime from anywhere.
Hello?
Delivery for Aaron Parker?
Thanks, you can leave it at the door.
And Ring's configurable motion detection makes it easier than ever to monitor your home.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's unique cloud recording feature, you can easily access, rewind, or share your video events. And when it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello, sir. I'm selling cases of Primo Clean. Can I put you down for a box?
You know what? We're kind of busy right now, bathing the kids. Maybe some other time.
Home burglaries are a worldwide epidemic. Traditional security systems let you know after someone has entered your home, and most home burglaries start with a simple ring of the doorbell to see if anyone's home.
May I help you?
Oh, good afternoon. We're just in the neighborhood doing some free tree trimming estimates.
No, thank you. I'm not interested.
Ring helps families secure their homes from unwanted visitors and discourages burglars from ever entering. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide array of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. The doorbell's 180-degree HD camera lets you monitor more than just your doorstep, during the day or at night. And you can easily customize Ring's motion detection sensors through the Ring app to exclude areas like busy nearby sidewalks and roads, so you only get notified when it matters. It's easy to install the Ring Video Doorbell with the included mounting hardware. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Simply attach the included mounting bracket to a flat surface. Then place Ring on the bracket and secure Ring with a proprietary security screw that prevents theft. Should someone steal your Ring doorbell, we'll even replace it for free. With dual power options, you can power Ring with a built-in rechargeable battery, good for over 12 months of regular use, or hardwire Ring to your existing doorbell. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today at ring.com.
Meet the new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. This video doorbell is packed with great features. It records in HD video with HDR, has a wide 180-degree diagonal viewing angle, and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Deter unwanted guests with a built-in siren. Hear and speak to visitors with a two-way audio feature. Here's what's included in the box. Attached to the doorbell is the flat mounting plate. The included release pin is used to remove the plate prior to your video doorbell installation. Keep this release pin in a safe place to use later. This is the optional angled mounting plate. Use this plate to provide a better view if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. Here's the long-lasting rechargeable battery and the battery charging cable. This is the wall mount screw kit for mounting. Here's the wire extension kit, in case you need additional wire length to connect your video doorbell when choosing to hardwire to an existing doorbell and chime system to enable continuous charging. The quick start guide will help walk you through the initial setup steps. Setup is quick and easy. Please check out our how-to video for information on how to set up your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free.
No problem.
That looks great. Thank you. I can see my package. Hi, Katie. That's great. You got the package. Yep. Alright, sweetie, I'm running late, but I ordered pizza, okay?
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, I love you. Hey, sweetheart. Did you put mushrooms on it?
They did.
Perfect.
Meet the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro, the only video doorbell that actively protects your deliveries. With the widest and tallest field of view on the market, it lets you see everything, from faces to packages left right under the doorbell. And Vivint's Smart Sentry technology intelligently detects when those packages are delivered. But Doorbell Camera Pro goes beyond just detecting. It can also automatically repel would-be thieves.
Camera recording.
With an audible chime and light ring that illuminates when someone approaches your packages. So your packages stay protected, even when you're not around.
Hi, Robin. Somebody just tried to take a package off my porch. Would you mind setting that inside for me? Thank you. I'll unlock the door for you. Bye-bye.
And because all Vivint products work together, you can also remotely unlock a door for trusted friends and neighbors or open the garage so deliveries can be safely placed inside. Whoever it is, you'll be able to answer the door from anywhere and see it all in stunning HD.
Hey, girls!
Hey, is Tommy home?
Yeah, he's right here.
Unlike other video doorbells that only capture limited moments,
Good eye, Frenchie!
human-activated Vivint Smart Clips don't stop recording until the action does.
Thank you, guys! Love you.
It's all about creating peace of mind. A feeling that comes from knowing that your home isn't just smart, it's safer too.